Guys, welcome back to the Peanut Adventures, and today we're doing part 3. Well, it's actually the same day we did all the other things, but this moment we are doing part 3 of our toy opening review slash blah blah. So if you haven't seen our 2 recent videos, we've opened Moj Moj, we opened Pink Tiara headphones from my Journey Girl. Actually meant for my life. Didn't really fit her head. No, spoilers alert. But today we are opening. You will see in 1 minute. Ow! Littlest Pet Shop, Cozy Camper. I think. Cozy Camper! Let's look at the back, shall we? Ooh. These are cute! Okay. If you look in the back here, we have this. It comes with 2 LPS. It comes with this one.
So cute.
This one and a little bear.
Tiny cute.
And on the back it says that there's a tarp slash hammock. Yeah. So you could either use it for like a hammock or a tarp. And it comes with like 2, let's see what it comes with. It comes with 2 sleeping bags, a barbecue with a marshmallow, the bear, the 2 pets, this little cart thingy, and the cozy camper, the spatula, the flashlight, the bone, a water bottle, 2 apples, and a lamp. So what do you say we get this open? We're going to pause the video for a little bit because this is obviously going to take a long time. Ready? It's already open. I can't do that cool trick where you go like, ooh, it's opened. Anyway. Oh, this thing already fell out. Okay, let's just take everything out of the box, y'all. Shall we?
Use the back like that so they can actually see what you get.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Comment down below if you have this set. Kind of wish it came with a little table. This was like $20, $22, and if it probably had a table, it would be like an extra 5 cents to the making. But good thing I got a coupon, so it was only $20. $2 save.
Woo!
I mean, it helps in some way.
Yeah.
Still have $20.
Get more toys.
More toys.
More gumballs. Woo!
Now I have to do, if you don't know what she's talking about by the gumballs, just check out our other videos.
Mm-hmm. It's delicious.
Why is this taped to the packaging? Probably so when you open the packaging, it doesn't fly out. Wink, wink. Ouch.
Oh.
Last thing, which is the final piece. Alright, let me set everything up. We'll come back to you guys in a minute. Let's set the scene. Okay, so we set everything up, and this is what it comes with. It's like, look at all these. Look at. She can totally just take this off. Just take these things off. And she could totally have fried apples. Picked apples. Or a bone.
A bone. Wow. Grilled bone.
Grilled bone. Oh, she can just hydrate. Go. Little water bottle. Yep. Oh. Kind of a little lamp. That's cute. And then I put the 2 sleeping bags behind the tarp, which could also add up to a hammock. It's cute. And I think we'll hold her. Oh! Oh!
So that's what you got.
It's a marshmallow.
That's what you guys get with the little box.
Oh, by the way, this comes off. So you'll put the dog here. Right here.
And you can go skateboarding.
Look it. I'll show you.
Actually, guys, the video's about to finish. So Miss Bree showed
She's
us.
following the bone.
Yeah, that's awesome. Woo!
Look how cute that is. Wow.
See you next
I
time.
hope you guys enjoyed this video.